While not absolutely necessary, I like to put the shifter into the drive position to remove it. Usually you are removing it to get to the center console, and you need it in that position for that work anyway. Begin by setting the parking brake. Put the key in the ignition and turn it so you can move the shifter into the drive position. Do not start the vehicle. For some reason, there are a lot of videos and instructions telling people to remove the top trim piece on the shifter. Do not do this. It is not necessary and it will only damage the shift knob. With your hands, rotate the base lock on the shifter counterclockwise 45 degrees. If for some reason you need more than hand pressure, make sure to wrap the shifter in a soft cloth to prevent damaging it. Make sure the shift button is not depressed when removing the shifter, red arrow. I like to gently pull it forward while lifting the shift knob. Lift the shift knob straight up, indicated by the red arrow. The button should remain out while the knob is off. Do not depress the button. The plastic piece on the top of the shift mechanism is fragile. Do not damage it or depress it while the shifter is off. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.